Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Yasir Shah and you're watching my channel Saji Fabricators. In this video, I will show you a new metal sheet design door for bathroom. Now head to the video. In this video, I will show you how to make metal sheet door for bathroom. The process is now begins. Pipes are in the frame that will help the sheet to be strong and heavy, and this door is ready. This door, the sheet is wiped from ripper guns with the help of drill machine. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. God bless you and your family. Allah Hafiz.